have a Ulta haul today. I'm excited to share with you products that I've recently picked up at Ulta. I also have some items from Shop Miss A that I ordered as well, some CVS stuff, so lots to share with you today, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with the Ulta haul first, and then we'll get into the other products I purchased. So first, kind of one of the reasons I made this order is to try this product from Tarte. I've been hearing good things about it. It's called their Sculpt Tape. I got mine in the shade Soft Bronze. So a few of these products I have got to try out. I did try this once now, and it was nice. I do feel like I had to build it up more than I was expecting. I got the shade, like I said, Soft Bronze. That was the second shade available, and I think I should have honestly went with the first one. I was thinking it would be deeper since it was the second shade, but it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't look super deep to me. Like, it kind of does there, I guess, but when I blended it out on my skin, like, it didn't really do much. I feel like I had to use like a second pass. So I am almost wondering if I should like return this and get it a new shade, but I don't know. I'm kind of wanting to try it out a little bit more, but the formula seems nice on it. I just need to give it a little more of a test to see if the shade is even going to work for me, but I'm kind of curious on these wands in general. This is my first one that is like a contour wand. I do have the Pinkgasm from Charlotte Tilbury. That's like the blush, but that's the only one I have. I have like that concept. I never got the Charlotte Tilbury one, so I don't know. I was like intrigued by that product, so I grabbed that. And then I also got this from Tarte, and I have been wanting this for a while now too as well. This is the DIY brow detailing pen. So I've been wanting to grab a pen to do my brows simply because I feel like I have had a lot of growth with my brows recently, and I don't need to fill them up in as much as I did in the past. And for that reason, I was kind of wanting something that gave me more of like those hair-like strokes and a little bit easier to apply since I'm not needing as much product. So I was scrolling on TikTok like I'd like to do, and I saw the influencer Kelly Strack. She was talking about this brow pencil from Tarte, and she just made it look so nice, and she had like perfect brow-like strokes, and I kind of just thought, I need that. So I went ahead and grabbed it, but I got the wrong shade. I feel like I'm just having a theme here throughout this haul of getting things in the wrong shade. I got taupe, which taupe normally works for me in most brow products. I can make taupe brow pencils work, brow like pomades and stuff like that. Everything in taupe normally works, but this is like very, in my opinion, almost blonde. It's got a tinge of red to it almost, and this just doesn't work for my brows. I feel like it's a little bit too light, and it almost looks like reddish, and it just didn't work for me. So I feel like I need to get the next shade, but there is only, I think, 4 shades total, and I thought this would be the better option, but I'm double guessing that now. I think the only other shade that was closer was the medium brown, and I don't know, you guys can let me know, but I normally go for a little bit of a lighter brown than my hair. I feel like medium brown tends to be kind of dark, so I don't even know if the medium brown is going to work for me. I do want to go in store next time, and when I go to exchange this and kind of swatch them and see if that shade would possibly work better, but I'm bummed because I really was excited to try out that brow product. And then another hyped up product that I finally got my hands on is the De-Bronzing Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops from Drunk Elephant. Now, if you are on TikTok, then you know that these are like all of everyone's routines are consisting of these drops. I've never tried them, and I am always looking for new products that are gonna like wow me, and everyone always uses these mixed with their moisturizer to kind of give them a nice base to start with, and it sounded like a good idea to try. So basically they're just like a bronzing drop that's going to give you a little bit more of a sun-kissed look, and you can mix it with your moisturizer, apply it underneath makeup, or just use it on its own. So it kind of sounds like something I would be into right now. I am loving a good like natural moment. I know I've got like a red lip on today, but I have been going for some more neutral looks and some more just like everyday looks. I'm also dealing with a lot of like acne right now. I have these breakouts that I'm having like on both sides of my face. I'm almost wondering if I'm getting some sort of allergic reaction. I have like just recently like tried to look into things. I'm wondering if like it's my toothpaste or something. I know it could be hormonal, but I feel like I haven't had acne like this like literally my entire life, so I don't really understand, but it's just all throughout my mouth, and it's very dry, like incredibly dry. So I feel like I'm having to kind of go a little bit more natural with the makeup, because when I'm putting on my typical foundations that I'm used to using, it is just caking up. Like even right now, like you can see that it's just like so painfully dry. It's like flaky, and yeah, it's just not, you know, my best skin time right now. So I feel like I am just going for things that are a little bit more basic, a little bit more easy to do. So I thought that product kind of fit in that category for me. And then I did grab a restock on this product. I had this in my collection a long time ago, and I honestly have just like missed it. I'm looking at the shade now, and it is called medium brown. So I love how I was like, I don't use medium brown, but I bought something medium brown, and I feel like this is a good a good color for me. But this is the Ultra Slim Brow Pencil from Ulta Beauty brand. And this is a great brow pencil, you guys. Highly recommend this one. If you're looking for something that is a little bit more on the like waxy side, but not overly waxy. I feel like when you say that, people are like, oh, I don't want that, but it gives the perfect amount of color. It's just very easy to do the strokes with, and it's nice and slim. It kind of reminds me, actually it does remind me a lot of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, but it is a lot cheaper. So this is a great option. It does have a spoolie on the end. And again, I guess I got medium brown. I think I have before in the past gotten taupe, but I'm not sure what made me get the medium brown, but I feel like it does match pretty well right now with the hair that I have going on. And then would it be an Ulta haul without me getting a makeup sponge? I mean, I'm just always tempted by sponges. So this one is from Wet n Wild. It's their new Pampered sponge, and this one intrigued me because it has a like jelly thing right here, and then the rest of the sponge is the foam. And the reason I'm intrigued by that is because I have a sponge that I ordered, I think it was from Amazon, pretty sure, that had the same similar concept, and I feel like that was an interesting sponge to try. I feel like I can't get this open, but it was an interesting sponge to try, so I kind of wanted to give this one a go and see how similar they were. I know Wet n Wild is obviously an affordable brand, and I think the one I got on Amazon was right around the $10 mark, so I think this one was only $5. So I'm curious to see how they kind of compare, and I think this would be good if you like full coverage, something like that, to use. So I'm gonna give that one a try. If you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure to follow me on TikTok, because that's where I'll be doing a review on that. And then I made sure to order on a Wednesday. If you guys don't know, I think it's Wednesdays and Fridays that Ulta does their like gifts with purchase. I know they kind of sprinkle them in on other days, but typically every Wednesday and Friday there is a gift with purchase. So I try to order on those days if I can. If I'm, you know, just trying to grab something really quick, I won't. But if I'm making like a larger order, I just tend to order on those days. So I did get this whole set, and this one came with the gift with purchase. So I'm going to show you guys the products inside. So the first one is from Sunday Riley. It's the CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So all of these are like their deluxe little mini sizes, but they're great to try out skincare this way. Then we have from Urban, this is the Skin Hero Anti-Ginseng. So we have that one. And then from Juice Beauty, we have their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Boosting Serum. From CeraVe, we have their Daily Moisturizer. I like this a lot, so that's actually good to have for like travel. This is a pretty decent size. This is from Pacifica. It's the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash, and this is a 1.4 fluid ounce. So this is like a really big size for a little sampler. And then from number 7, we have the Night Concentrate. So this is a retinol. And then from Kapari, oh, this is brand new. Wow, I'm surprised this is in here. This like just came out. This is from Kapari. It's their niacinamide and caffeine eye brightening cream. And this is like a decent size of that as well. And then from First Aid Beauty, we have the Ultra Repair Cream. Again, really great little size of this one. It's pretty big. So this would be perfect to like throw in your purse. If you haven't tried this before, it's a really great hydrating lotion. And then we also have from Winky Lux, this is a moisturizing face gel. I'm gonna open this one and see what it looks like, because I think Winky Lux has a lot of really cute packaging. So I'm not sure if this is anything special, but here's a look at that packaging. Again, that's a decent size. I believe this was what you got if you spent $75. Like I said, I feel like it's worth it to just wait, you know, and place your orders on those days, because you get to try a lot of cool products. And then this one is from Origin. It's the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash. And then we also have from Philosophy, this is the Hope in a Jar Smooth Glow Moisturizing Scrub. And then lastly, I think this is the last one in here. This is from e.l.f. and this is the Sunbeam Whoa Glow, which is a sun protector and makeup primer. I think this one is also kind of new from e.l.f. So nice little sampler. I feel like I got a lot of products, and some of these were like you know, bigger sizes. They weren't just like dinky little nothings. I feel like this is a good way to, like I said, try some stuff out. And it never hurts to get something for free when you're already making, you know, a decent sized purchase. So that is everything that I did grab from Ulta. It wasn't the biggest order, but I feel like that was still like a decent amount worth. I think that was like $100 still. Some of those products were expensive, especially that Drunk Elephant one. And then when I was at CVS the other day, I grabbed this. It's from the brand Joa. They have some great products, you guys. I think they are probably my number one like sleeped on brand. I feel like they don't get as much hype because they are only sold in CVS, but they have some amazing, amazing products. They have a great brow pencil. They also have really great complexion products as well as really great lip products. They have really nice satin lipsticks that I love. So I saw they had this new sponge and I wanted to give it a try because I haven't tried a sponge from them and I'm always up for trying new sponges. So it just looks like a fun neon color. I'm not sure the quality on this, but it was really affordable. So I'm gonna give that a go and see if I do like it. And then lastly, I made an order on Shop Miss A as well, and I bought more sponges because why not? I love the Shop Miss A sponges, and I don't know why. I just can't ever make an order on there without purchasing these. They do sell them on Amazon, but they are just a smidge cheaper if you order them on the Shop AOA site. So I just got a new pack. They come with 6 of them. They are the Paw Paw sponges. I've mentioned these so many times, but they are so soft, you guys. Best sponge in my opinion for the price, especially on Amazon, but they're really, really nice. And these come down to, I think on Amazon it's like $9.99 a pack. And there's 6 of them. And then I think on the Shop AOA, I think there's like $7.99. So there is a little bit of a discount if you do buy them from their site, but so good. Highly recommend those. But I saw they also had a brush cleanser or like a sponge cleanser. And I wanted to try this because this one I think was only like $1.50 or something. And I've been searching for a more affordable like solid brush or sponge cleanser because the one that I use is from Beauty Blender and I love that one, but it's so pricey and I feel like I go through it quite a bit because I'm always washing my sponges. I typically don't really use one more than once, so I'm definitely always kind of washing them, and I'm looking for something that's a little bit more affordable. I know I tried one from Amazon that was like, I want to say like $8 or $9, and that one was just like awful. It didn't compare at all, so I want to just see if this one is any good. Maybe it's a hidden gem, so probably showed that on TikTok too, so follow me over there. And then I also saw this, and this is so cute. This is the Beauty Scoop, and if you guys have kids, tell me if you've seen like the little booty like spatulas. I think they're called the butt spatula or something like that, and I have those for my kid. When you're applying like your diaper cream, you can like put it on, you know, their butts with the spatula. And so I saw this and it reminded me exactly like that. And this was like $1 on their site. So if I were to need to repurchase those, I would definitely just go on there and order one from there because they're like $15 or something for like the baby ones. But I thought this would be great to use because I hate dipping my hands in like moisturizers and stuff. Like if I have to like dig in there, it's just like something about it I just don't love. So I was like, this is perfect for me. And it has a little suction, so you could like suction it to your moisturizer or your hair mask. It says it's great for body butters, bath salts, face and hair masks, shower scrubs, body treatments, or dry goods. So what I was also thinking is the Tree Hut scrubs. Love using those. I think they're amazing, but I hate like grabbing my hands into those. It's just like a sensation thing or something. I just don't like it. So I was like, this will be perfect for that as well. So I'm going to try it and see. I'm sure it's fine because it's just a scoop, but for $1, I feel like that was very, very good purchase. And then I also just grabbed a few lip products that were really cute because I'm a sucker for lip products too. So first one is this little lip gloss. This one is so fun. It's like a purple glossy color, but it is shaped like a candy, which I think is so cute. And then I also got this one, which looks like a fancy little drink. I just love fun little lip glosses, and everything on the AOA site is always so affordable, but I thought this one was kind of cute. So I did try the pink one already, and this one, or the purple one, and this one was really nice on the lips, but I haven't tried that one yet. And then I also just grabbed one of their lip masks. I've never tried this before. This is called the Jelly Jam, and I got the one in cherry, and it's like $1 lip mask. So I was kind of curious to see how that compares to maybe my Laneige or something a little bit more high end. I'm not sure. I'm sure it's probably not exactly as moisturizing, but you never know. So I'm looking for some hidden gems here. So hopefully that's a good match for me. But after that, you guys, I'm gonna do it for this haul. I know it's not the largest one, but some things I've grabbed recently that I thought I would share with you. I will try to link down below as much as I can. And I thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you very soon with a brand new video. Bye, friends.